Went to London recently, had a great time, and while I was in Leicester Square, I happened upon the Lego store. Nice place, nice. Of course, I had to go in and take a look. Quick trip.
There's nothing like being at the Lego store in London. It's lovely though. Honest officer, I'm just a tourist in the Lego store.
In honor of my recent trip to London, nice place, go if you can, I picked up the Lego Architecture London kit, number 21034 for ages 12 and up, and it's 468 pieces. Now, I'm not saying that if you go to London that you should set your itinerary by what's on this thing, but it just so happens that it's all the places, and I hit them. Here's my trip to London through Lego.